Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm unboxing Ipsy. So this is Ipsy for March 2020. And in this bag, we have our bag. This is really pretty. It says Ipsy, 100th Ipsy Glam Bag. Hopefully it's super special inside. But the 100th Ipsy Glam Bag is on the back here. I haven't been with them that long. I know I don't have 100 bags. But anyway, it's a cute little teal studded number with neon yellow, which I guess is lemon. Zipper and zipper pull. In here we've got a little postcard that tells us a little bit about what's in the bag. I don't read it till the end, so I could be surprised with you guys. But it does say Celebrate You, March 2020. This is your invitation to a celebration of our 100th Glam Bag and you. Let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. To get the party started, we added a bonus product as a thank you for being along for the ride. Open up your 6 Glam Bag picks, valued at 50 plus, and cue the confetti. It's time to have some fun. So anyway, there's 6. Usually there's about 5. So let's see. The first thing is, Hanalei lip balm in tropical citrus. I have a lip treatment thing that I wear at night from them. I really like it. I like them. The ingredients look good. Yeah, it's essential oils and organic. So that's really good. I really like that about them. The next thing in here is Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I've heard good things about Tatcha and their creams and primers. So I haven't used them before. So this will be my first time. It's a sample size. But then you get to try it out and see if you like it. The next thing is the Lumsqua. It is black eyeliner. So that's nice. I like their, I'm actually wearing their hydrating primer now and I like it. I like pore filling primer, so I don't know if I would buy it again, but maybe. So I'll try this out. You can always use black eyeliners. The next thing we have is Honey Jarrett Clean Whip Cleanser. So it's nice. I like cleansers this size. I like to travel with them. Take them, you know, if I'm doing an overnight or a shoot somewhere, whatever. So I really like having cleansers this size at hand. And they do last me a while because I just use I squeeze out a little, like a dime size amount or whatever you call it. So yeah, I just use a tiny amount and so they end up lasting me a long time. Then the next thing is Yensa BB and CC foundation. So it's like a hydrating cream plus foundation in one, and it's got SPF 40. So that's really good. And then the last thing in here is Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. So I will use it says Tarte C. So I have an allergic reaction to Rainforest of the Sea products personally. I don't know why. It's just my particular skin. I don't normally have allergic reactions to I don't have sensitive skin. So we'll see if I can use this. I'll do like a patch test and test it out, but I do want to try this. I do like Ipsy because even though they're all sample sizes, things like primer, things like cleanser, that kind of thing, even like serums and stuff, you use a small amount, like a few drops at a time, and they end up lasting me a long time. So then I end up not having to buy full-size products. And it's nice because, especially with mascara, because I can use them for a month or two or whatever and use them up, and then they don't go bad and I don't have to end up wasting product by throwing a bunch of stuff away. So that's one of the things I really like. Even though they are sample sizes, I feel like it's more economical for me because I end up using up everything and using it over a series of months and then getting replacements in my next subscription bags. So it's kind of nice. Anyway, that is everything in the bag. That is everything for today's video. I'm going to leave information below, and let me know in the comments if you do Ipsy or if you're interested, what you think of this month's bag. And also please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. I'm trying to say that because I've been told that I have to tell people to please subscribe so that it'll remind them to do so. So if you like my content, I have a lot of other stuff, book reviews, movie reviews, movies that I make myself, music that I do also myself. I do tons of stuff. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.